What's up, guys? This is the network back with another video, and today we are talking about how to create a CP file in 5 minutes flat. This is one of the fastest and cleanest ways to generate a working tri-merged file that you can eventually use to add trade lines, build a profile, and attach to a business for real funding. This video is for educational purposes only, and everything we show is based on public information. If you need help building the file or want us to do it for you, reach out on Discord. Telegram is no longer reliable, and make sure you're following us on Instagram at instagram.com/thenetworklink. And if you want the most value, you can get the full method list plus monthly trade line logs on Patreon right now for $50 a month. And if you join now, that price is locked in for life, no matter how big it gets. The link is patreon.com/thenetworkteam. All right, so here's how to build a CP file in 5 minutes. Instead of the full 15, we're cutting the steps down while still getting the same results. Here's how to do it. First, open your Notes app and build your CP profile the right way. Keep everything organized so you can reuse this structure every time. Here's what to write down. Full name, address, made up SN using valid prefixes, email, and later your Credit Sesame login. Here are some clean SSN prefixes you can use. 293-97, 299-97, 638-91, 501-43, 291-97, 296-89, 475-89, 647-97, 766-89. Make up the last 4 digits yourself. Just make sure they've never been used before. For the address, go to Zillow.com and search for homes over $200,000 for sale in the state you're building your file, and pick a single-family home with a clean record and no evictions. Use that address in your CP file. Now, instead of applying for 3 different sites like Target, Barclays, and Drive Time, we're going to speed this up and only apply at one place that's known to trigger all 3 bureaus. Go to Capital One and apply for the Venture X card. The URL is capitalone.com/creditcard/VentureX. Use the same info from your CP file. Job title, engineer. Annual income, over $80,000. Own home, rent, 0. Years at address, over 5. Email and phone don't matter because this is not about getting approved. We're just waking up the file. Once you submit the application, Capital One will do a tri-merge pull on all 3 credit bureaus that creates your CP file instantly. After that, instead of using Credit Karma, we're going to use Credit Sesame. Credit Sesame is faster and doesn't throw as many verification issues even when your file is ready. Sometimes Credit Karma can give you errors for no reason, so we're skipping it on this method. Go to creditsesame.com and create an account using your CP info. Use a fresh email and input the same name, address, and social from your notes. When it asks for your last 4 SN digits, put in the CP number. If Credit Sesame lets you move forward and gives you a dashboard, you've officially created a working CP file. If it says it doesn't match or needs your full SSN, scrap the last 4 and try again with a different number. Once you see a profile, even if there's no score, that means your file is tri-merged and working. You can now start adding trade lines, primaries, and prepare to use it for funding. Now, for the final step, we're going to build some light public records to strengthen the profile even further and make it more believable to lenders down the line. Go to listyourself.net, register your CP phone number using your CP name and address. This will put your number in the National Phone Book database, which adds legitimacy and improves the appearance of the file. This small step makes a big difference when you start applying for things and people try to verify your identity in background checks. So to recap, Step 1, build your CP file in Notes. Step 2, pick a clean Zillow address. Step 3, apply at Capital One Venture X to trigger the tri-merge. Step 4, create your account at Credit Sesame. Step 5, add your info to list yourself for public record strength. Once you get the hang of it, you can build multiple files in an hour, and if you know how to scale this, you can start flipping these into funding plays or building a credit repair or trade line service around it. And if you want help building the file or want to know how to turn these into high-score profiles, reach out on Discord or join the Patreon. The link is patreon.com/thenetworkteam. It's $50 a month and includes everything we teach in these videos locked in for life if you join now. Instagram for results is at instagram.com/thenetworklink. This is The Network, and we'll catch you in the next video.